Hello students. In previous YouTube link I was explaining you English, right? Lesson number 4. What did we started up with our English? Lesson number 4, Marching to Freedom. So let's continue with our lesson. So what we have seen in previous video, that there is a boy named Dhani. He is a 9-year young boy, right? He lives in which ashram? Sabarmati ashram, where Mahatma Gandhi ji, he used to plan he used to make some plans for the freedom. So on one day, what did he see? That all the peoples of the ashram, or some peoples of the ashram, they just go in Gandhiji's room, they have a meeting there and they come out. But this boy is very eager to know what it is going on. So one day he asked his mother, and he asked to Binda Chacha that what's going on, what Gandhiji is going to do, and where he is going to march. So what did Binda Chacha said? Gandhiji and some men of the ashram are going to walk through Gujarat to reach at the sea at a place called Dandi. What did Binda Chacha said? That Mahatma Gandhi ji and some people of our ashram, they are going to walk through Gujarat. Gujarat से होके ऐसे चलते चलते जाने वाले हैं. कहाँ पर? At the place called Dandi. For what? For making the salt. Now let's see in our story what our small boy Dhani replies. So students, let's start with our lesson. Make salt. Why? You can buy it at every shop, asked a confused Dhani. अभी धानी तो confused हो गया कि salt बनाने के लिए गांधी जी और सब लोग गुजरात जाएंगे at a sea and at a place called Dandi. We can get salt here also in the shops. So why they are going? He is very confused. Then Binda Chacha explained. Who is explaining? Binda. Binda explained that in India, even the poorest of poor had to pay tax on salt. What do you mean by tax? Money that you have to pay to the government on goods and services. Yes, हम सब भी tax pay करते हैं, और for every goods and service we pay tax. So, in previous time also, at the time of Gandhiji, the people, they have to pay the tax. To whom? To the government. Poorest of poor, it means बहुत ही गरीब, सबको क्या करना पड़ता था? They have to pay the tax for salt. Not only that, Indians were not allowed to make their own salt either. So what did he said, Chacha? What Binda Chacha had said, that all the poor people, they have to pay the tax on salt, as well as Indians are also not allowed to make their own salt. That is really unfair. Dhani's eyes were hot with anger. So what do you mean by hot with anger? धानी को बहुत गुस्सा आ गया. ये तो गलत है कि नहीं? We should also have a chance to make salt for ourselves. Binda added that Mahatma ji tried talking to the British to stop the tax. Who is Mahatma ji? That is Gandhi ji. So what did Binda said? Mahatma Gandhi ji ने तो बहुत try किया so that British should stop tax. But they refused. Refused means मना कर दिया. They refused. That is why he was marching to Dandi to make salt from sea water. And that's why, what Chacha said, that's why the people of our ashram and Gandhiji all are going on a march to Dandi so that they can prepare some salt from the sea water. Students, come to the next side. Next page, that is page number 43. Won't Gandhiji and his men get tried after walking for a month? Why don't they take the bus or train? Dhani brooded worriedly. So, what do you mean by brooded? It means thought deeply about something in an unhappy way. So, Dhani, what did he said? Why Gandhiji and other men, they are walking for a month? They will get tired. Yes or no? एक मंथ के लिए कोई अगर बार बार चलता रहे तो टायर्ड हो जाएगा. Yes or no? So what did Dhani said? Why they don't take any bus or a train? वो बस या ट्रेन से क्यों नहीं जाते? ऐसे पूछा. छोटे से धानी ने ऐसे क्वेश्चन किया है. Because if he goes on this long march and walks all the way to Dandi, the news will spread There will be pictures in the papers and reports on the radio, and people all over the world will know that we are fighting for our freedom. And that will really embarrass the British, explained Binda. What do you mean by embarrass? To make someone look foolish in public. Yes or no? So what did Chacha said to Dhani? That he is not taking any bus or train for going to Gujarat. That is, for the march he is not going to take any vehicle. He will walk and go. Why? So that all the people would come to know that Gandhiji and his men, they are walking for the freedom. है कि नहीं? Freedom पाने के लिए कितनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, सबको पता चल जाएगा. There will be pictures and reports on the papers and radios, and British he will get embarrassed. है कि नहीं? British को embarrassment हो जाएंगी. Dhani thought Gandhiji was very clever. Now what Dhani is saying? Yes, Gandhiji बहुत clever है. He decided to ask Gandhiji if he could join the march too. Early next morning, Dhani and Binny had looked all over before they found Gandhiji at the cowshed. They followed Gandhiji from the cowshed through the vegetable garden back to his hut. So, what did Dhani? What did he decided? Yes, अब मैं भी पूछूंगा that Mahatma Gandhiji, can I also come along with you for the march, for the Dandi march? That's why what did what did Binny, that is goat, and Dhani the boy, what they have done? Early morning गांधी जी के पीछे पीछे घूम रहे. Firstly Gandhiji went to the cowshed, then he went to the vegetable garden, and when he is back to his hut, वापस अपने घर पे आने तक कौन फॉलो कर रहा था? Dhani and Binny, they were following the Gandhiji. After reaching his hut, Gandhiji sat down beside the charkha. Students, you can see here the charkha. It is the spinning wheel which is used to make a thread. है कि नहीं? Thread बनाने के लिए जो wheel use होती है, this is called as charkha. And called out to Dhani. Dhani ran up with Binny, skipping along. What is your name, beta? Dhani. Gandhiji. Now Gandhiji is knowing, he is following. So what did Gandhiji do? He just sat near the charkha and he called up, come up here. What is your name, beta? Now he is asking, Gandhiji is asking, कि आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name, beta? What did Dhani replied? Dhani. Gandhiji, मेरा नाम क्या है? धानी है. And this is your goat. What did Gandhiji asked? ये आपकी goat है. This is your goat. Yes, Gandhiji, this is my friend Binny, who gives the milk you drink every morning. Dhani smiled proudly and said, I take care of her. Now what Dhani is replying? Yes, she is my best friend. Binny is my best friend. She gives me milk, and that milk you drink every morning. And what did Dhani said? Yes, I take care of my friend, of my goat Binny. Good. Why were you both following me everywhere this morning? Gandhiji asked. Yes, Gandhiji को पता चल गया. Very good, he said. You are taking care. But can you tell me why you both are following me? मैं जहाँ भी जा रहा हूँ आप मुझे follow क्यों कर रहे हैं? I wanted to ask you whether I could come with you to Dandi. Dhani asked nervously. धानी ने कैसे पूछा? गांधी जी, मैं भी आपके साथ आ सकता हूँ डांडी मार्च के लिए? How he asked? He is very nervous. I wanted to ask whether I could come to you. That is, come with you to Dandi. Gandhiji smiled and said, You are too small, beta. Now what did Gandhiji saying? आप बहुत छोटे हो. You are too small. Dandi is 385 kilometers away, and only young men will be able to walk. So what did he said? Dandi, the place Dandi, it is very far away. It is 385 kilometers away, and only the young men can walk. You are too small now. But you are not young, said Dhani. Won't you feel tired? What did Dhani replied? The little boy, he replied, आप तो इतने young नहीं हो, गांधी जी. आपको तो tiredness हो जाएंगी. I am a good walker, replied Gandhiji. What did Gandhiji said? Yeah, I am not that young, but I am a good walker. मैं एक अच्छा लंबा चल सकता हूँ. I am a good walker too. Dhani was adamant. What do you mean by adamant? Determined not to change mind about something. So what did Dhani replied quickly, yes, I am also a good walker. It means he is showing that I want to come. Yes or no? So students, here we are going to stop with our lesson. In next video, I will be explaining you the remaining lesson. Till that, you have to read this. Okay? Bye-bye.